It smells of blood.
Maybe the frog won.
I'm gonna have to, like, when we're done, have you listen to that. Because that was very uncomfortable sounding. I don't ever want to hear that again.
What is that?
What is that?
I don't know.
Big enough to cry. Why not?
What?
Anything different? Nope. Anything different?
There was a sign at the start of this room.
I don't know what I was expecting, truth be told. Go where only one eye is open.
So we need to find something to blind it.
Is there an item I could have missed?
Go back in that other room. I think you can go left and right. No, down. Right here. No,
okay.
Stop going through the door. Okay, I lied to you.
I want to look at these cat statues. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. Hey, don't ignore me. She looks dead inside.
She really does.
A large open mouth is drawn on the wall. There's a hole just big enough to crawl in.
Maybe you can go back to the room you're not supposed to go all the way through, and maybe it won't hurt you now. Like the trap got disarmed.
Yeah.
God, was it this far back?
I don't think it was.
No. This is where you just got the frog. So I think it was right here.
Yeah. Go where only one eye is open. But they're f***ing shut.
Try checking the walls between them.
Ah. That eye moved.
It did. It looked at you. I think it was mad.
Oh, God. I mean, I see why I was dying.
Right.
Make noise in 4 rooms. A small music box, its key is missing. And yet I can play it?
Yeah, don't you normally have to wind those up before you can play them?
Yeah.
Feeding them to the house. A Jack-in-the-Box!
Okay, well, I'll make a noise in this room. What? Why? 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 What did I do?
The Jack-in-the-Box made noise.
With 12. What does that mean? Is that Jack in the Box missing his face?
Yes. I was hoping you were gonna get shot again.
Blue eyes see the score. Any of you got blue eyes? A black-haired woman. I'm so glad that was color coordinated.
Okay.
That's not really any different, though. Some playing cards. There's a 12 card with a queen on it and a 13 card with a king on it. Is that right? Okay, Gabe.
I love it that there's things. It's like, well, why did I do that? Because the game let me. The cherry taste isn't as strong in the cans.
Oh, it's not?
Mm-mm.
You're the bastard that shot me.
With a fake gun, John. Keyword there, fake. You need
not play. Eye studies. People have different eye colors. We know the following about women in this region in particular. Their eye color depends on their hair color. The 4 hair colors are silver, black, gold, and red. The 4 eye colors are brown, green, blue, and red. Silver-haired women have red eyes, and brown-haired women can have either blonde or red hair.
I'm sure there's a pattern there, or like a riddle.
Yeah.
It said not to play the damn piano, John.
Okay, so
So let's look at this and think about it for a minute. Silver or red?
and brown.
No,
No.
just red. And
Yeah.
brown-eyed women can either have blonde or red.
So silver, red, and then brown, blonde, red.
But what does that have to do with this room? You can't, like, select any of the paintings, can you?
I wonder if I find eyes somewhere and
Right.
I have to put them in.
Go back to the paintings. Check all of them. Huh.
Well,
What? Did it do something?
yeah, it fell. Okay, but what does that mean?
What does the note say in the room?
Blue eyes see the score.
Well, a score is like a sheet of music. So maybe they're looking in the direction of the sheet of music. Can you follow their eyesight?
I couldn't really even see if they even had eyesight.
Well, I'm assuming they're just looking straight down. So, like, I guess start with the blue one and just, like, check everything that it's looking at.
Ah.
I guess that wasn't the right option. Hey! Johnny got murdered again. Maybe I'm thinking this is the right one. You just have to not let that.
I can't get out. I can't get out. Well, hold on. Before we do. What happens if I go to the other two? I die. Okay. And again, I die. So it is the black I need, but.
Can you, like, look around the room after she's chasing you? Like, try... Maybe the pumpkins will stop her, or...
Not that pumpkin. Wait, that paper was moving.
What paper?
The one on the left?
Okay, so maybe try to lure her down here and then go to it?
Destroy the paint. Oh, thank you.
Can you touch the painting? Like the one she's coming out of?
Tear down. Aha!
Gotcha, bitch.
So what did I accomplish with that? Besides the fact that I got to pee now.
You got the sheet music for the piano.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Oh, god damn it. That purple haired chick again. A grand piano, there's nothing on the music rest. Okay, well that didn't change any.
I guess let's go back to that room. Maybe there's something else we gotta do.
Let me check the room on the left.
Okay.
Wait a minute, no.
What?
Let me go back to the piano real quick. Because items don't use automatically.
Oh, right.
Now let's play. Son of a...
It does say, John, there's no need to play the piano. So maybe do nothing now. Turnkey. Here we go.
Okay, turnkey. I was thinking like a turkey that looked like a key.
Spit out a fucking turkey, John. That would surprise me in this house, though.
Oh.
So you maybe accomplished one of the rooms?
Looks like it. That's nice. That was loud.
Are you playing the music?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna come out here. I'm just gonna die.
Quit dying to that fake gun.
I don't care. Play the music box with 12. What is that green?
It's go to the other room, John. It said something about 12 and 13 in the other room to the right. Like the king was worth 12 and the queen was worth 13 or something. Or was it the other way around?
There's a 12 with a queen on it and a 13 card with a king on it.
Okay, so we need the queen key, and you have the king.
Okay.
I don't know, start beating pumpkins again. Smack that one.
Not much of a sound.
Did it do anything?
I heard knocking.
Can you answer the door? What? Her face was back.
It was.
What?
Come in here, I'm just gonna die.
Instantly.
I can be the sun, I can be sand, and I can be a bird. What am I?
Huh?
So I'm guessing I come up to one of these things and... Because I went up to the mirror and it asked, am I a mirror?
Oh, okay. Okay, what was the riddle again?
I can be the sun, I can be sand, I can be a bird. I want to say... I'm a clock. Correct.
Hey, nice, dude.
Because I was thinking, sand could be like an hourglass, that's a timer.
Okay.
Clocks, you know, like cuckoo clocks will have a bird.
Right.
Sun, I don't
There's
really...
a sundial. It's a
There
sun
we go.
clock. Depending on where
Got
the
the
sun's at is when it tells you the time.
Oh, another light.
Okay.
So now I come in here and...
Get shot.
Third light. But what do I do about that fourth light? There was... Make noise in 4 rooms. But what's the 4th room?
What was the room like way over to the left? Is like no, keep going left.
I know, but that purple hair girl was here.
Oh, was she?
Yeah,
No, I don't
not
know.
reading that again. The key don't do anything. I can't get back there.
I guess go back to the right room. I don't know where else. Not this room, the one to the right, because there's a flame missing on the right. So maybe the up room, top right here. Wait, why is this changed?
It's not ticking.
Hey! Just climb a chair, John. There you go.
And it falls on me and I die.
Buy a giant panda. Or your frog buddy. He's back with a vengeance.
Right.
You killed him.
Good.